Hi guys, and welcome to another Talk Data video. We are living in a data-driven world. In fact, there's a popular saying that data is the new oil. And in this world, careers that have anything to do with data are popular career choices. Data analyst, data scientist, and many more. But with this abundance of and emphasis on data comes the issue of data security. How do we keep our data safe? Now, data security is a very big topic, so in this video I will focus on a basic question. How do we keep our personal data safe? So say I have all my financial information in an Excel file, or I have my passwords in a text file. I could save these files on a USB stick or on an email server, or on the cloud in an application like Dropbox, for example. Hopefully no one will be able to access this file. But what if someone does? How can I still prevent my data from being seen? In this video, I will show you a way to encrypt your data so that even if someone has access to your files, they still cannot view your data. Once you watch this video, you will see how easy it is to encrypt your data and keep it safe. So let us begin. To encrypt our data, I will download an application from the web. The software we will use is called GPG4Win. This is an encryption software that supports cryptography standards such as OpenPGP. And yes, the software is freely available. Now this demonstration is on a Mac, so I will download the Mac version of the software. The process is pretty much the same for Windows. So let's download the software from this site here and then proceed to install it. The link for the Windows version is in the video description. As you can see, the application comes with a few components. You can read about them in a link I have put up in the video description. I need to enter my password to install the software, and in a very short while the installation is complete. Now, opening the application, the first thing we need to do is create a new key pair. A key pair is a term from cryptography. You need a key pair to encrypt your information. It is then impossible for others to decrypt it. So as you can see, it is simple to generate a key pair. So here I will enter a name, mine, a valid email ID, mine again, and a password. Looking at the advanced options, there are some more choices we can make. For example, we can modify the expiry date of our key. But for now, I will leave the default values and continue to generate the key. So our key is generated and it appears here in the list. Now we are ready to create a file and encrypt its contents. So let's open a text editor and let's quickly write some text within it, like so. Now to demonstrate the process of encryption, let's go to our file, right-click on it, go to Services, Encrypt File. This will open up a recipient's box. Now for this simple example, the recipient is myself. So what does this mean? It means I am encrypting a file using my signature and I only want myself to be able to decrypt it. In future videos, we will see how we can allow others to decrypt files. So for example, you might want to send an encrypted file to a friend and only want this friend to be able to decrypt it. Okay, my file is encrypted. It has the same name as my original file, but a different file extension, GPG. Let's quickly open this file and see its contents. As you can see, the information is encrypted. So at this stage, I can store this encrypted file on my email or Dropbox or a USB flash drive. Even if someone accesses the file, they will not be able to read its contents. Now say I wish to see the contents of the file. Simple. All I do is click on the encrypted file, select the decrypt option, and I get the original file. So guys, I hope you found the video useful. Encryption is a great way to store important data. I strongly encourage you to try it out. And finally, if you like the video, please subscribe to this channel. Also leave me a comment and like the video to tell me what you thought of it and also the kind of videos you would like to see in future. Thanks a lot.